Hello friends, welcome to Stasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today for dinner is a simple shrimp fried rice. Let's start cooking. I have my day-old cooked rice, fresh shrimps that is already cleaned, deveined, tail off and shell off. I have my grated ginger, garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, stock cube, and salt. Green onions, green peppers, green peas, carrots, 2 eggs, soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and my oil. Guys, I apologize, I couldn't show too much of the sauces. We'll begin by adding our salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Then give it a mix. We'll make sure everything is well marinated. And I'll add about half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Make sure everything is mixed well and well marinated. And without wasting time, we'll begin to cook our shrimp. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of canola oil to my wok. We'll then put our shrimps in the wok, and I'm making sure each of the shrimp is touching the bottom of the wok so everything cooks very well. And we'll be cooking our shrimp for a total of 6 to 7 minutes. We'll leave the shrimp undisturbed for about 3 minutes and then give it a mix. And once it is mixed, I'm making sure that each of the shrimp is also touching the bottom of the wok. And I'm giving it a quick mix again. Our shrimp is looking good and it's almost ready to be done. So we'll give it a nice mix and look at how amazing the shrimp is looking. Alright, so now we are getting ready to remove the shrimp. It is cooked very well. And look at that, it looks delicious. So in the same wok, we'll add about a tablespoon of oil and we'll begin cooking our 2 eggs. I'll then let the eggs sit for about a minute before giving it a mix. We'll begin to give our eggs a scramble. And the egg doesn't take too long to cook. Once it is cooked, I'll remove it and set it on the side. Alright, so in the same wok, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. This is a tablespoon, but I'll be adding another tablespoon very soon. Alright, so I have my grated ginger and my fresh garlic. Always love a little hint of garlic and ginger in my fried rice. Alright, so I'm adding another tablespoon. And I'll cook this for about a minute. And our carrot goes in. I will not be overcooking my vegetables, guys. So everything will be going in very quickly. Alright, so the carrot has been cooking for just a minute. And then I'll be adding my peas. Give it a mix. And that will cook for about a minute and then add my rice. And guys, I have about 12 cups of cooked rice. All right, and I'm using 2 wooden spoons to mix everything together. Having 2 wooden spoons actually helps me mix everything very easily. So I recommend you do that when you're making your fried rice. I'll then put in a half a tablespoon of soy sauce. And I'm using the LiQWYD brand soy sauce. All right. Also add in half a tablespoon of my dark soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. All right, and then my green peppers goes in. And I'll give everything a mix. Fried rice does not take long for it to be done. So before making your fried rice, make sure everything is well prepped and ready to go. You want to make sure everything is well mixed into the rice. And I'm adding another half a tablespoon of my regular soy sauce. And that will be all the sauces that will go in my fried rice. All right, giving it a very good mix, making sure everything is mixed very well. And guys, this is that 1 stack cube. I used my spice blender, and yes, so 1 stack cube goes into my fried rice, and it is shrimp stack cube. I'm giving it a mix. I'm adding my eggs and my shrimps also goes into the rice, and look at that sauce in the shrimps. That also goes in. And guys, I didn't cook my rice with salt. My rice did not have any salt in it. So yes, so all the sauces that went in helps to season the rice very well. And we're giving it a mix. And I'll be doing a taste test to see if my rice is seasoned very well. And it is just right. Yes, so we'll then go ahead and add our green onions. And once the green onion goes into the fried rice is almost done. Yes, you don't want that green onion to stay in there too much while it is still cooking. So I'm then giving it a quick mix and my rice is done. Look at that. It looks delicious and it tasted delicious, guys. All right, so without wasting time, I'll be serving myself before everyone comes back from school. Yes, so this plate is for me, y'all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. You have a wonderful and a blessed day. Hope you try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know and tell me how it tasted. Bye bye.